How to fix WhatsApp unable to install on iPhone. Having trouble installing WhatsApp on your phone? Let's fix the install error step by step. Make sure your phone meets the minimum system requirements. Android must run 5.0 or later. iOS must be version 12 or higher. Insufficient space can block the install. Delete unnecessary apps or media and try again. On Android, go to Settings, go to Apps, then Google Play Store. Clear cache. On iPhone, restart your device to reset the Apple Store. Only install from the Play Store, App Store or WhatsApp's website. Avoid APKs and third-party sites. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.